open houses an effective form of lead generation in today's real estate market? Hey, it's Jason Secor, and today we're going to dive into, are open houses an effective form of lead generation? If you ask 100 realtors that question, you'll probably get 100 answers, or maybe 102 answers. But I'm here to tell you right now that open houses are a phenomenal source of not only getting leads for your business, buyers and sellers that you can work with, but most importantly, they're also a phenomenal way to get your sellers exposure for their house and knock it out of the park and help them get that house sold. I think a lot of times the reason we don't think open houses are effective is because we approach them haphazardly. Like a lot of times we approach a lot of things in this business. And what I mean by that is we don't have a plan. We get a call from our sellers saying, Jason, what are we going to do to get more activity? We say, well, we'll put together an open house. Now keep in mind, this is Friday afternoon. We got a weekend plan. We go on our weekend. We show up at the house on Sunday at 2. We sit there from 2 to 4 like a good realtor should do. Nobody shows up, and then we show up at the office on Monday morning and we talk about open houses just aren't a great way to spend our Sundays and aren't a great form of lead generation and marketing homes for our sellers. And I want to tell you that open houses can be your number one source of business if you have a plan. So I recommend you put together an open house plan. And we're going to do a couple of these videos to show you exactly things we think you can do to have a successful open house. But number one, I would say, is you got to have a plan. And what I mean by that is you can't pick the house on Friday. You need to pick the house at the latest, the Monday prior. Have permission from your seller, ideally the week before, but worst case scenario, the Monday prior, and be ready to roll. And have a strategy and a plan on how you're going to get that house maximum exposure to help get it sold for that seller client, but also how to maximize your time there to pick up additional buyer and seller clients. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to post it on social media. We want to go ahead and start posting this house online the Monday before, leading up to the event, to maximize the exposure that we can get on it. We want to just kind of give some videos, some text, some pictures, and let Facebook world, YouTube world, Instagram, let the world know that that's what we're going to be doing next Sunday from 2 to 4, or Saturday 1 to 3, or whenever your open house is, and get it out there. And the next thing we're going to do is we're going to create a Facebook event so that people actually know there's an event going on. And in some later videos, we're going to share with you how you make your open houses a mega event that people want to be at, get attention, get your seller's home sold for top dollar fast, as well as help you find other buyer and seller clients. Hope this was super helpful, and look forward to sharing more tips on how to run successful open houses in one of our next videos.